Chris, how are you today?
Good, how are you?
Good to see you.
Nice to see you.
How was your vacation?
Hello.
Hello.
How are you? I'm Dante.
But I'm also going to show you a 10 by 20 because sometimes it's easier to go larger and then downsize at a later time, and it gives you a little bit more room to work in there.
How far are we away from first?
About 2%.
What do you think we can do?
You know, I was thinking about that. I think if we set up some new displays and we maybe challenge each other.
To 6 p.m. And we're open on Sundays also, from 11 a.m. to 3 p.m.
I guess I could have asked the size of her place, the size of her room, how many rooms she's moving.
Just keep those in the back of your mind, write down the notes, and you'll be fine. You're doing a great job.
All right, thank you.
Wow. Hello, this is Calvin calling from the sales center. I have a customer on the line and they wish to confirm if a 53-foot long truck would fit on the property.
Yeah, we can accommodate a 53-foot truck. All we need to know is the day and time, and we can make sure the property is clear for it to come in.
All right,
Is everything okay? No problem.
I just don't know what I need yet.
Okay.
The size or whatever it is.
Okay, I'll help you. Let's
Okay.
right this way.
She rebooted the computer and reinstalled the printer and got everything back online running for us really quick.
That's awesome.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna go on Spotlight and give her some recognition for that.
Does anybody have any topics they want to cover?
Yes, we were thinking growth and development.
Come on in. All right, I got some for you guys. You're welcome. Thanks. Hey, you guys like the color? All right, excellent. We have a lot of good furniture. We can show you what a 10 by 20 would look like.
Okay.
It's good for several rooms.
Hello.
You ready for your audit?
Yes, sir.
Why don't you show me what you're proud of?
Okay, let's start with these first 4 elevators. Yeah, they're spotless.
To a customer's account.
Sure, that's easy. I can show you, and then you can repeat it back to me.
Great, thanks so much.
And over here, I'll show you how to do one for walk-ins. So you take a look.
What is it?
A hippo.
A hippo? Is he hungry?
Yeah,
Okay.
he's hungry for you.
He's hungry. Now, maybe we'll have to make him dinner.